The Siamese, a tale of striking beauty with its blue almond-shaped eyes, short coat, and elegant build. The Sphinx, an exotic, hairless feline, boasting unique wrinkled skin and a warm, affectionate nature. The Abyssinian, ancient and sophisticated, this breed's striped coat and alert demeanor will stop you in your tracks. The Maine Coon, hardy and generous, this breed's long, tufted ears, bushy tail, and unique tail tufts are unforgettable. The Ragdoll, named for its floppy, relaxed nature, this breed boasts a striking blue coat, large green eyes, and sweet disposition.